Hi everyone, welcome to my Javascript class. In this class, we're going to talk about declarations and the variables. So it will be 1.1.1 for subtopic of declarations and in the general about grammar and data types, grammar and types. So, okay, let's get started. How we can create our variables in JavaScript. So, as I mentioned before, JavaScript is case-sensitive language, so that we can create our variables with some way than the other programming languages variables. So, let me show you how we can do this. But before that, JavaScript identifier usually um, so working with a ladder underscore or dollar sign. So subsequent characters can also be digits like 0 to 9. So as I mentioned before, this is case sensitive. So ladders include the characters, even like uppercase A to Z, or as well as to A to Z to lowercase. So let me show you some examples. For example, we can say like number digits like that. So we can put const number 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 bits in that way. Let's say something like that, and let's create another one. So the first example was number digits like that with the underscore. The other one can be, for example, temp 111 like that. So and we can say just temp something like that. All right. So we can also say something. In this case, we used also number with the letter. So in other languages, it's same. So for example, this both examples same. So maybe this one can be a little bit different. We can even say with the dollar sign, like what we can say credit like that, and we can just put something in here, and we can just say credit. Yeah. So this is another case. Did you see that? So we use dollar sign. It's really important point that you can focus on it. So you can create your variables also in this way. Just some way that you can make it. Even you can use underscore before that, before everything. I mean, you can just say so like goals, let's say like that. Okay, then you can put something else in here. So this is something you can identify or you can indicate your variable names like that. So it is the things that we can create our variables with that style. Okay, this case sensitive and even you can make it bigger or even what you want to do. So in JavaScript you can feel free about it. So that's it about it. So next one will be about declaring variables. It will be our 1.1.2 class. See you there. By the way, I can put it before go to there. Yeah, let's put it here. All right, like that. And even we can say 1.1.2. See you in declaring variables class. Thank you so much for watch to it.